It contains mimosa, which is an anti-inflammatory toning.
Excuse me, mimosa.
Exactly. Not the mimosa that you're drinking, which I would love one right now.
Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 2 in the FabFitFun Fall Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by our Director of Beauty, April. Thank you for joining us.
So excited.
We're going to be deep diving on all of the products that you can choose from in this customization, and if you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it. First up, we have the ILIA Beauty Lightshift Cream Highlighter in Daze or Glint.
These are beautiful, silky, luminous highlighters from one of my favorite brands, ILIA. So this is a cream that basically transforms into a weightless powder when you use it and gives you a really smooth, natural looking glow for up to 12 hours. It's also non-comedogenic, boosted with potent antioxidants, and it's clinically proven to help protect your skin from pollution. So not only will you have a little bit of glimmer, but you're also protecting your skin. And it gives you just really that like healthy, kind of effortless, soft looking glow. And the formula is just like beautiful. I wish you guys could feel how easily it goes onto the skin.
It feels so nice. ILIA is a clean beauty brand. Are we trying to buy more into clean beauty?
We are. I think that clean beauty is here to stay. It's kind of become almost just table stakes at this point. And I feel like ILIA was definitely early on this and a pioneer. So really excited to bring them back to you.
And next we have another product from ILIA. This is the Sunshift Cream Bronzer in Rise, Eclipse, Ray, or Bask.
So we have 4 different shades that you can choose from. And this is also that same cream to powder formula that really delivers buildable, sun-kissed, and a blurred finish. And so you can kind of pair these, additional choice again. You can have your bronzer and your highlighter both with that same beautiful kind of creamy formula. Also lasts 12 hours without looking glittery too. I think that's also feedback that we've received from our customers is they want that little bit of shine, but they don't want to feel like it's glittery within their skin.
They don't want to feel like they're back to being 14 years old.
Exactly. So this is kind of that perfect in between. It has skin-loving ingredients like green tea, microalgae, and squalene.
Next up, we have the Nia Ariana Cardigan.
I am so excited about this product. In all my time at FabFitFun, I don't think that we've ever done a cardigan in box.
No.
And it's so cute. So this is a lightweight, super soft button-up cardigan that's perfect for layering as the weather cools down a bit. I feel like it's perfect for transitional fall, winter, and spring. And it comes in 3 sizes. So we have a small, medium here, a large and XL, and then also a plus size.
I'm someone that gets cold very easily, so I love having a cardigan in my car.
So essential.
Bring it with me traveling. I don't want to be freezing and miserable. I want to be warm and cute, and this does the job.
And it's so cute. You can wear it all the way buttoned up. You can wear it fully open, or you can wear it with like a little tank under it and the top buttoned and the rest open.
Next, we have the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream.
This is a member favorite brand, and we're so excited to bring this product to the box. Again, it's another one of those holy grail skincare items. So this is a gel cream that's gonna fight signs of aging by delivering really intense hydration to your skin. And it's gonna help with this very light texture. You can see here, it goes on really nicely. It's a little bit of a gel that helps improve the look of skin's firmness and elasticity. And it's very rejuvenating, and it might just replace your foundation because honestly, how great does my skin look just on its own after putting this on? So it contains mimosa, which is an anti-inflammatory toning.
Excuse me, mimosa.
Exactly. Not the mimosa that you're drinking, which I would love one right now. But it also has rose, which is a natural fragrance component, but also calms your skin. And then on top of that, lastly, algae, which helps support the feeling of hydration.
Now it has rose. Does it smell like rose?
It does.
Just a little bit, though.
Not overpowering.
It's pretty subtle, and it is a natural fragrance, not a synthetic fragrance.
Exactly.
A little bit goes a long way with this, too.
Absolutely, yeah. And just leaves your skin, like my hand, feels so soft now and hydrated.
10 years younger, your hand.
Exactly.
Yes.
I always say being in beauty, I hope my hands age well because I'm always putting product on my hands.
I should have been working in beauty earlier. I should have been focusing on my hand.
We're working on it.
Next up, we have the by Adina Eden Emerald Green CZ Baguette Earring and Necklace Set.
So I am actually wearing this right now. Little did you know at the beginning of the video, there was actually a spoiler. And so the necklace is a beautiful, stunning emerald green and clear cubic zirconia stones, which are artfully scattered to create this really elegant design. And then you can see here the stack stud earrings are really versatile. So what you can do is you can either wear them like this ascending design that kind of drops down the ear. This won't fully work because I'm wearing a second hole, but you can also make it kind of go up your ear, so it's a little bit of a crawler. So depending on what look you like, you can adjust them. And then the necklace obviously styles back to the earrings and just creates this really coordinated, elegant, modern look for your jewelry.
The green is so beautiful on you, I have to say.
I love it.
I love that it's a set. It makes it so easy. You don't have to think about it.
And also the necklace, I want to mention, is 15 inches in length and has a 2-inch extender. So depending on if you want to layer this with other necklaces, you have a little bit of room to play.
Yes, a great way to add some color to your jewelry stack.
A little bit of fun.
Next up, we have the First Aid Beauty Retinol Eye Cream with squalene and ceramides.
This also one of our member favorite brands. We love everything from First Aid Beauty. And this is a multi-action eye cream that is designed to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area while hydrating and also just being very careful with that delicate under eye skin. So this is designed for sensitive skin. It's dermatologist tested and there's no artificial fragrances in it either. Like you said, it has squalene and ceramides, which are gonna nourish and protect the moisture barrier around that really delicate part of your eyes. And it's gentle enough for all skin types. So dry, oily, combination, you name it, your eyes are gonna thank you later for putting this on.
A retinol under eye cream is my secret weapon.
It's amazing.
I feel like everyone should use one.
Absolutely.
But retinol can be very harsh, some formulas, and the delicate under eye skin, you have to be really gentle there. So this one is formulated to be gentle under that area.
Exactly. And if you're worried about it, people always recommend using this on another gentle part of your skin, like the insides of your arms, just so you can test it for one night. And if all goes well, put it on those under eyes. But yes, it's formulated specifically for sensitive skin.
Next, we have the 8 Other Reasons Vegan Leather Slouchy Bucket Bag.
So this is designed with a vegan leather pebbled exterior. So you can see here, it gives us a little bit of texture. And then it also has a soft vegan suede lining on the inside too, to just really give you that elevated everyday look. The features on this bag are really, really cool as well. So it has adjustable shoulder straps that can be set to your preferred length. So if you want to wear this as a shoulder bag, if you want to actually shorten these, so it goes into, I should say lengthen these, so it turns into a crossbody, whatever's best for your style or your look that day, you can change it. It has an open top and then roomy main compartment that'll hold all of your essentials. The slouchy silhouette is super stylish and just perfect for every day on the go.
Next, we have another bag from 8 Other Reasons. This is the Betsy Slouch Tote in stone.
Like I said, we're loving these slouchy type bags. So this is a relaxed vegan gray suede slouch bag that has this chic rope handle and a soft black cotton lining on the inside. So it also has 3 inner pockets, 2 open pockets, and 1 zipper pocket, because we know all of our members love the zipper pockets. What I love about this bag too is that the strap is actually adjustable, and you can actually adjust it by pulling on the knot. You can see you're gonna give it a little bit of muscle, but depending on what style that you want, what length you want it to hang, you can adjust it based on your look. And then also too, it has a magnetic closure at the top, and I really like this because it adds a little bit of texture to any outfit.
Big bags are back in a big way. I love that the 2000s styles are coming back. I was a huge big bag girl. The bigger, the better.
Exactly.
You know, these tiny little purses, they're so cute,
but they
don't hold anything. So
I want to be Mary Poppins with all my goodies coming out of my bag.
All of our beauty products, everything that we need, always with us. I love it. Next, we have the Noon and Moon set of 2 mugs in cherry lacquer.
These are so cute. So we get a cozy set of 2 stoneware mugs. Just want to like eat this whipped cream while we're talking. In this really beautiful painted cherry finish with the cherry stripes. And it's durable, stylish, and designed to be as functional as they are beautiful. So you can either sip coffee, tea, maybe a hot toddy, and they really make a nice gift too. And they're perfect for espresso drinks too. Not only coffee, but you could also make a nice little latte.
Yes, it just helps like romanticize your mornings. It's great for the holidays. Like you said, a great gift. Get it in additional choice.
Yes.
You could even get a set of 4 if you want it for your house. I think these are so sweet and adorable.
Yes.
Are you a coffee or tea girl?
Coffee all the way.
Yeah.
Can't live without my coffee.
Same. Next, we have the Oribe Serene Scalp Oil Control Treatment Mist.
We are so excited to have this brand back in the box. I think it has been maybe since 2017, 2018
been a while.
that we have had Oribe. So really excited. This is going to be a lightweight mist that helps extend the time between washes by controlling the excess oil on the scalp. For me, this is something that I absolutely need if I don't want to wash my hair every 2 days. And what we love about this is it also detoxifies while protecting your scalp against environmental pollutants, and also just helps your scalp to feel balanced and refreshed.
So are we using this with dry shampoo?
What we're doing is we are putting this on damp hair. So right after you get out of the shower, put this on your scalp, basically massage it in there, and then style your hair as normal. So it's going to help in the moment to control excess, but then also will stay in there to help it over a period of time.
Okay, so it's more preventative than a typical dry shampoo would be.
Exactly, exactly.
And speaking of dry shampoo, next we have the Oribe Serene Scalp Oil Control Dry Shampoo Powder.
So if you have not used a dry shampoo powder, this is about to change your life. I actually prefer a powder over a spray because I think it allows for a little bit more of like a targeted application.
Okay.
So this is gonna absorb oil, dirt, and buildup and helps regulate the sebum production in your head, which is basically like the oil. It doesn't leave behind a white residue and also just helps support scalp health. So you're using your spray to help prevent excess oil, but then if you do get a little bit of excess oil, you can use this. And if you're not familiar with how to use a powder, what you're gonna do is use it on dry hair like you would a normal dry shampoo, part your hair, separate it into sections, and then you can actually apply the product straight from the bottle directly on the roots.
Okay.
Leave it on there 1 to 2 minutes, massage it into the hair, and then basically just brush through. You can shake it through, really depends on what you'd like. And it leaves your hair with the oil gone and a nice refreshing scent.
I was gonna say, one of the things that people complain about with dry shampoos is often the scent.
Yes.
But Oribe is known for having probably some of the best smelling hair products.
Absolutely.
And does this have that same
It does.
Oribe
It has
signature?
that nice kind of light scent to it. It's not overpowering, but it's gonna help mask some of the smell of, you know, couple-day-old hair.
Yes. Next, we have the iconic London Prep Set Glow in Original.
So I'm gonna do a magic trick right here, live.
Ooh. Whoa.
Shake it up. And look how beautiful this formula is.
Oh my gosh.
So this is a viral product that has been viral on social, and we're so excited to bring it to the box. So this is gonna be a refreshing, hydrating mist that's packed with soothing extracts of cucumber.
You can actually smell it.
It smells really
fresh.
nice, but again, not overpowering. But that's gonna give you a dewy, kind of radiant gloss on your skin. So you can use it in a couple different ways. You can use it to prep your skin before makeup, so no makeup, throw it on there, and it's a great base to put makeup on top of. Or you can actually use it as the setting spray for your finished makeup look that's gonna help give you glow, but then also set it all day.
Yeah, so is this gonna have like a glittery finish though if we spray it at the end?
Nothing that's going to be scary. It really gives you just that nice kind of dewy glow, no like actual particles of glitter. So it's safe to use without looking glittery.
It really is so beautiful. I love this color actually.
So stunning.
April, what are you picking?
I think I'm gonna have to go with the Oribe dry shampoo. It's a really amazing dry shampoo, but it's gonna be a hard choice because there's a lot.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Fall Close Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time.
Bye.